And while China is working to reform its banking sector, the way Americans bank and transfer money is also changing. And at the biggest electronics payments conference of the year, executives want to make sure they stay ahead of the trend because, as Josh Lipton reports, there's a lot of money on the line.
Why write a check when you can just send money with the tap of a button? That's the appeal of peer-to-peer mobile payment apps, technology that lets users send funds to one another with their smartphones. Users open the app, find friends to send money to, and tap a button. Funds are then automatically transferred from a bank account. This market is expected to more than triple to $17 billion by the end of 2019, according to research firm Forrester. PayPal is the dominant player in the space. Executives there see a lot of opportunity, especially overseas.
We're still in the early days of building our network around the world. You know, we launched in Russia last year, but we've been in Brazil for a few years. We're in India and China, and so we're really starting to get more inroads into some really big markets outside the U.S., and the growth rates are phenomenal.
PayPal doesn't break down how much revenue it generates from these peer-to-peer services, but says that it now conducts billions of dollars of transactions per year. These mobile payment services are described as quick and easy, but there are potential drawbacks. One can be security. That's why tech companies are investing in biometrics, technology that allows consumers to use their own physical characteristics, their facial features and eye retinas, for instance, to complete transactions. Apple Pay, for example, works with fingerprint scanning technology. And Alibaba's Jack Ma recently teased a new service which would allow users to pay by scanning their face with a smartphone. Some analysts, though, are skeptical.
It's taken some time just to get them comfortable with the idea of having their fingerprint scanned. So I am not certain that consumers are going to want to have their eyeballs scanned by their phones just yet.
Much of this biometric technology is still very much in its infancy, but some analysts do believe it's the future of payments where passwords and PINs become a thing of the past. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Josh Lipton in San Francisco.